Video we will discuss about the leaf structure and their parts. Leaf, everybody know leaf is the one of the vegetative part of the plant. Leaf is the vegetative part of the plant. Vegetative part of the plant. Leaf are appear in a green color to function of the photosynthesis. Leaves are origin at the node. Origin at the node. Leaf are attached on the stem or branch. In a typical leaf contains three parts. One of the leaf base and petiole and lamina. Leaf base. Leaf base. And second one is the petiole, and third one is the lamina. Lamina are leaf blade. Leaf blade. First one leaf base. Leaf base. This portion is the leaf base. The leaf are attached on the stem by the leaf base. Leaf are attached on the stem by the leaf base. In dicotyledon plants, that is the fabaceae plants, dicotyledon plants, the leaf base becomes swollen. The leaf base becomes swollen to form to polyvinous leaf base. Polyvinous leaf base. In monocotyledon, in members of monocotyledon or Gramineaceae, the leaf base covers the entire node, that is the called sheath. Sheath. And next one, the stalk of the leaf that joins the lamina and leaf base, that is the called petiole. What is the use of petiole? This petiole is exposed to light on the leaf and it is helpful in fluttering in the wind. And next one is the lamina. Lamina is the flat-ended green and flat-ended structure is called the lamina. Lamina is the green and flat-ended structure. The lamina is appear in a green color to perform the function of the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. In this leaf contain pigment is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. In the chlorophyll contain element is the magnesium. Magnesium. Chlorophyll contain element is the magnesium. It is the important for a competitive exam. Magnesium is the element. In chlorophyll pigment is the magnesium. So it appear in green color to perform the function of the photosynthesis. In lamina, presence of veins and veinlets. What is the use of veins and veinlets? It is useful to the, it provide rigidity or strength to the lamina. It provide rigidity and strength to the lamina. Strength to the lamina. And these veins and veinlets act as a channel to transport of water and minerals to other parts of the plant. Act as a channels. Transport of water and minerals and food. Water, minerals and food. And food. The middle one of the prominent vein. The middle one of the prominent vein is called the midrib. The middle one of the prominent vein is called the midrib. That is the leaf apex. This portion is the leaf apex portion. Once again, leaf structure. In leaf is the vegetative part of the plant. Leaf is the vegetative part of the plant. It appear in green color to perform the photosynthesis. Leaf are origin at the node. Leaf are origin at the node. Leaf are attached on the stem or branches. Leaf are attached on the stem or branches. A typical leaf contains three parts. In typical leaf contains three parts. Three parts, that is the leaf base, petiole and lamina or leaf blade. Leaf base, first one is the leaf base. Leaf base is the leaf is attached to the stem by the leaf base. In Monodicotyledon, the leaf base become swollen to perform the specialization of the pulvinous leaf base. In Monocotyledon, that is the Gramineaceae family. Monocotyledons are Gramineaceae family. The leaf base covers entire the node is called sheath. And next one, the petiole. The stalk of the leaf that connects or joins the leaf and leaf base is called petiole. What is the use of petiole? Petiole is useful to expose the sunlight on the leaf, and it helpful fluttering in the wind. And third one is the flat-ended structure. Green and flat-ended structure is called lamina. Green and flat-ended structure is called lamina. What is the use of lamina? Lamina or leaf blade is same. Flat-ended structure. Lamina is appear in green color to perform the photosynthesis. Its presence of pigment is the chlorophyll. In this chlorophyll, the element is the magnesium. Important for any competitive exam. Chlorophyll element is the magnesium. So, in this lamina, the middle prominent vein is called midrib, and it contain veins and veinslets. What is the use of veins and veinslets? These veins and veinslets act as channels to transport of water, food, minerals to other parts of the leaf, and it provide rigidity and strength to the lamina. In the petiole appear small leaf-like structures is called stipules.